She is married with a doctor. It is wrong sentence. She is married to doctor. It is a right sentence. Next is India have or Pakistan have. It is wrong sentence. And India has or Pakistan has. It is right sentence. Then I look forward to meet you. It is wrong sentence. I look forward to meeting you. It is right sentence. When I was small. It is wrong. The right sentence is when I was young. Then the next one is one of my friend. It is wrong. One of my friends. It is right sentence. Next is years back. It is wrong sentence. Years ago. It is right sentence. I did not took it. It is wrong. And the right sentence is I did not take it. Then, if you are asking out of station, it is wrong. The right one is out of town. Then, if you are asking, normally we are using I myself did it. Oh, it is wrong because I and myself are the same things. The right is I did it. Then, if you are ordering the pizza, normally we are using order for pizza. It is wrong. Just simply ask order pizza, which is right sentence. Thank you very much. Now, at the last, we have uh, recite the Durud Ibrahimi. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Now it's okay. Thank you very much.